welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the appearance. I definitely am a mom of two and trying to get a hang of it at this point. A newborn just farted behind me. This is Chloe. Say hi, Chloe. Hi, baby. See yourself? Hi. She is literally the sweetest thing, and her big sister loves her. If you guys are new to my channel, I have a daughter, Emma, who is almost 2.5 years old, and then we have Chloe. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna talk too much, and I will show you her room. And she is not in this room at the moment sleeping, and I come in here daily, but most of her things that I use on a daily basis are in our room at the moment. Okay, so this is her entry of her door. Don't mind this stuff I'm getting rid of. But when you first come in, you have her crib, and it is like a farmhouse themed bedroom. I would try to get the best footage I can because the lighting is a little difficult at this time of day. It is about 6 p.m. But when you come through the door, you have her dresser. And then I just have this painting that I got at Hobby Lobby. I have a little lamp that we got from Target. I had this jar already from when my first was born, and then this is an IKEA plant. Just have some of their lotions, and then the shelf is from Hobby Lobby also. We have this diaper cake that was made for Chloe and I. It has a magnolia leaf on the top. The neighbor did that. And then we just have my pump for when I pump occasionally. And then I have this that was in her older sister's room at one point. Over here we have a big letter C with the bow hanger. That is from Hobby Lobby. This rocking chair was in Emma's nursery when she was little, and when we moved we just put it in here. We also have a quilt that a family member made for Chloe. And then we have her tall window, which is the biggest window in the house. Sorry if you can hear her just making little noises in here. This is another shelf that is identical to the other one from Hobby Lobby. We have these mason jars with the floral arrangements. Those were made by my neighbor. She used them for decorations at our sprinkle that we had for Chloe. And then a picture frame, which obviously needs like a picture that pertains to this room, not of distant cousins. And then that is our camera that we will be using when she is staying in her crib. And then up above, I have to find a better way. I know the lighting really sucks here. A better way to hang these because they're just kind of hanging on some nails, but we are probably going to nail them into the wall, but they fall off slightly. As you can tell, the one in the top right corner is kind of just not straight. But I got these from Hobby Lobby also when they're 50% off. This is Emma's old crib. I wish it was white, but honestly it doesn't look that bad in here with the white dresser and everything. And then yeah, that is just the changing table, which we will start using more when she starts to move to this room. And then usually in this corner we have like the diaper pail and all that. Okay. We have her big closet right here, which is really not that big, but usually have the doors closed, but we are in the process of putting brand new doors on. This one's new, and this one is currently broken and needs to be replaced. So in here, she doesn't have that much stuff right now. We just have a little organizer, books up here, hamper, and bits and pieces of just some things that Emma was passed down to her younger sister. We have diapers up there, mobile stuff, some more boppies, and then this is just all her clothes from newborn all the way to I think 3 months. Just keep extra wipes in here. We have clothes down there in that tote and a toy diaper bag, and this holds my wraps that I can wear her. I'll kind of show you how we organize. This top one is obviously probably does not look organized, but it has just a lot of new toys that she got for presents. She has like the little elephant and the Sophie giraffe. We got a lot of boogie wipes, and just like hand wipes and Johnson wipes. I have leftover swim diapers that Emma, these are too small for her, and then I have extra medicine. And then this is just my breast pump stuff and pads. And then the second drawer we have hats, pants, and shorts. This, I have everything out that is for from newborn to 3 months. We have extra blankets, bibs, a swimsuit, swaddles, and socks. It's okay. And then down here is just some breast pump stuff, shoes, car seat covers that my mom made, and then this is the start of 3 to 6 months. Hey guys, I know I look totally different than I did in the last clip, but I forgot to end this video just because Chloe was getting fussy last night when I was filming it. But if you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below just letting me know what you liked about the video, if you want to see more of these types of videos. I do have another video coming soon that I should be filming this weekend, just about kind of showing you our setup for Chloe, having her in our room. I know some people always kind of wonder what should they have in their room and how they should have it set up for when their newborn comes home. So I'm going to show you guys our little setup for her and how it works for us. So thank you so much, and thanks for watching.